Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to put a quick in-depth review about this cryptocurrency platform, which is Rainbow Wallet. So to get started, Rainbow Wallet is a user-friendly Ethereum-focused wallet known for its vibrant interface and smooth NFT and DeFi integration. It supports multiple EVM chains like Polygon and Arbitrum. Also allow token swap directly in the app and work well for beginners exploring Web3. It also offers a ledger hardware wallet support and ENS integration for personalized touch. However, Rainbow Wallet has some security limitation. It lacks features like two-factor authentication and auto lock. Users have reported occasional bugs, failed transaction, and delay with support. In 2025, Rainbow Grade is for light, everyday use and NFT management, but it's not ideal for storing large amount of cryptos. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this cryptocurrency platform. And that's it.